Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to one of the most important main streets here. This street here starts basically, not really, but it's a very smooth ride from the airport all the way to the beach. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. As you can see here, we see a lot of XanSM electric taxis. The BIDV Autobank, which Marcus does not like. And we're gonna take a stroll through the busy street of Le Quan Dao, which is home of very nice new places now as well. We're gonna walk all the way from Le Quan Dao, from here, this main street, to Le Quan Dao. Check out what's new there. This is super dangerous, guys. Always keep your eyes open. This is like, terrible. Imagine you're walking at night and you're drunk or something. Yeah, don't walk when you're drunk at night. And obviously don't drive, but take a Grab or XanSM. Or there's actually a new app as well. BE, I think they're already in Ho Chi Minh City, but here they just started out, I think. Yeah. And this is also a huge question mark for me. All seasons lobster and seafood. It looks very bougie, very stylish. But next door is actually Yen Buffet. Very good buffet. It was my first Japanese buffet here. Pretty good. And a very stylish coffee shop here on the right. Egg Benedict's, 120,000 dong. Do we have English breakfast? Yes, 145,000. English breakfast, mate. Interesting. So they have like a burger bun, and then this is maybe scrambled eggs, bacon, tomato. Okay, interesting. Lots of English breakfast here, guys. Don't worry, my dear Australian fellows and Brits. You will not be hungry in the morning. I never thought I would ever eat English breakfast. But now, I'm kind of hooked. But I actually always go to butcher shop now for the English breakfast. The best value there. 99,000 dong. Big plates, good food, good meat. Great. Alright guys, this is the entrance to the Le Quan Dao street. Very important street, guys. Le Quan Dao pretty much goes to the whole neighborhood of the Antung and has so many restaurants. And I think I showed you that often, but there are so many new places now already. Spas. Yeah, here you can buy fans, guys. You need a fan in the Antung area? Just come here and buy it here. Very good. All kinds of fans, nets, yeah, household items. Good. Sophia Hotel. They belong together with the Sofiana. We just found that out last time. Latio Coffee, breakfast. 35,000 dong, a breakfast plate? Huh. Coffee shops. And I think there's a brand new, not a brand new, but a new place here. From Transylvania, Romania. And the Bunbo Hui place, very good. Very good place. Never heard any negative about that place. It is a little bit rowdy, and I would not go to the restroom there. But it's a very good product. Good meat there. More coffees on corners. Corners are always busy. Banh mi. Oh, now it's open. Banh mi store. Huh. This is also very busy here. Nuk Mia, Marcus' favorite drink. Sugarcane juice. Yeah. I think here is the Romanian food. But it's closed right now, guys. Romanian food. And I think it's called Transylvania Nest. It's also on Grab, I know that. Pharmacies, pizza. I heard about very good things about this pizza as well. Bobo pizza. And of course, there's my favorite ramen place. But you would know if you have my Google Maps guide. So don't forget to check out my Google Maps guide. Get it. If you come to Vietnam, if you come to Da Nang, get my Google Maps guide here. Love and vegan. Oh, my vegan friends love this place. It is very good. It's empty right now, but usually it's very packed. It's also right between meals. People have early lunch nowadays at this time. Hello, Bob.
Hey.
How you doing, mate? It's Pizza House. Oh, I think this one is the pizza, the good one. What are the prices here? Prosciutto. You have pasta here. And other nice things here. Nice. Tattoo shop. Lots of tattoo shops nowadays. And a taco place. A taco place that is owned by Australians. And you can have free beer with any burrito purchase from 11 to 3. Okay. So if you get a lunch burrito, you get a free drink, basically. But this is the one, Japanese ramen. Oh, very good. If you see the girl standing here, grab the 20% voucher. They always, sometimes at noontime or afternoon, they're giving out these 20% vouchers. Yeah, just grab it. Very good value then. Another haircut over here. And Boyan Indian restaurant. This is the only Indian I ever tried. I ordered it. It was good. But I don't know. I think there are so many places to choose now. And last time I walked around the Antong 2 area, I actually saw some good value Indian food, which is not often. Usually Indian food is pretty expensive compared to local food or even other dishes. But I saw a place where they had $1 or €1 garlic naan. That's a good sign. And $5 butter chicken. I think butter is just expensive in here, I think. Maybe that's the reason. I'm wondering when this will be done finally. It's gonna be a great hotel, guys. I already know that. I'm excited. They're taking a lot of time here, but maybe that's also a very good sign to have a very good finished product. Oh, they're claiming it's Thai massage here. What are the prices here? Oh, okay. We are still at the Le Quan Dao Street. This is the Doba intersection. And now, I actually tried out the Turkish kebab here. And it was good last time. I liked it. It was with chicken. And they have actually lunch specials as well. I think then it's a good deal if you do it with the lunch special. Hello. Oh wow, they have closed this thing now. And coffee and banh mi is over here now. Guys, butcher shop. Oh, I love it. Yesterday we had a fun video with the owner. The other day we just walked around, Marcus and I, and we saw the owner, because Marcus knows the owner. Marcus was a very loyal customer from his Rio place, and he made a schnitzel for us. Hello! Hello! How are you? We be careful, this is wild Germans here. They're hungry. All right.
So you are the best.
Thank you. Yeah, so what I wanted to say was the butcher shop owner, very nice guy. He owns the other butcher shop, Butcher Steak or something. And they had the Rio and the country barbecue or something. But he made us a schnitzel, a proper schnitzel for us, for a video. Very nice. And we had English breakfast as well. Very good. We did a little bit of a skit. We acted like super Germans who want to have schnitzel and nothing else and screaming around. Yeah, that was funny. On our German channel. But yeah. It's just perfect weather. It's weird. Somehow it's sad all the time. It's raining every day. But it was not different than this all the time. Somewhere maybe it's raining, but not here on the beach. So I would like to have some rain here and there, just to clean out the air. But yeah, let's have a coffee. Do you know what this means? I have no idea. Many of those streets have those kind of signs on it. I don't get it. I don't understand what it means, the signs. Like, why are there some streets with signs? Some streets without signs? Whew. It's hot, guys. You gotta be in the shade all the time. Be very cautious. Oh, by the way, I made a video about the high season now in Da Nang. So please check this out one next. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And see you next walk.